Now let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of using text. Text gives clarity to other elements. Text is easy to update and change, can present abstract ideas effectively. It takes less storage space and is relatively inexpensive when compared to other elements of multimedia. Now let's discuss some disadvantages of using text, which is your audience first and foremost have to be literate. Text is less memorable than other elements and can become cumbersome. Graphics, on the other hand, are visual images or design on a surface such as paper, wall, screen, object, canvas for information, entertainment, or art. Graphics can either be functional or artistic. As an element of multimedia, computer graphic can be divided into two particular kind of categories: raster graphics, that are pixel based, and vector graphics, which are based on mathematical formulas. Graphics are used more commonly as diagrams, drawings, logos, navigation buttons, and pictures in media content production. Raster graphics are also known as bitmap graphics, which are composed of grids of dots called pixels. Thus, once enlarged, they lose clarity. There are two factors which determine quality of a graphic. They are resolution and color depth. Resolution is the number of pixels per inch, and color depth can be defined as distinct color an image contains. It ranges from 2-bit, which is black and white, and 24-bit, which is 16.7 million colors. Based on compression and nature of graphics, it can be saved in a variety of formats. Most commonly are JPG or JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group, GIF, which means Graphic Interchange Format, TIFF or TIFF, Tagged Information File Format, PIC or Picture, TGA or Targa, and BMP, Bitmap. And the most popular these days is PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Some of the most prominent advantages of using graphics in a media content production are that graphic elements can be quickly updated, corrected, and revised. Computer graphics are rather hard to avoid and can be found everywhere these days, such as smartphone, interface, graphics. Graphics are responsible for displaying art and images or data in a creative, effective, and meaningful way to its audience. Although there is disadvantage of graphics as an element in multimedia content production. Sound, on the other hand, is a sensorial effect on humans. Without sound, any media content production is incomplete and lack a complete immersive experience for its audience. As a multimedia element, sound is used as digitized sound or a sampled sound, where it stores a bit by bit image or the data. The quality of digital sound depends on how often this sample is taken and is defined as a sample rate. A media content production benefits from voiceover, speech, music, and special effects. It has been well established that the use of more than one sense aids in retention of the information. Digital sound is available in many different formats. In today's day and age, Redbook audio format is most common. Redbook states the professional specification for an audio CD. Although the name Redbook might seem a bit strange, it was named so as to cover the publication which contains those specific or specification was read. Some of the most common sound formats are WAV or Windows WAV file, MIDI, and MP3. Windows WAV file can only be played on a computer running Windows operating system. A WAV file contains the actual digital file or sound along with the header, which stores additional information about the playback rate, resolution of the file. A MIDI is a series of messages which describes specific musical note and is limited to only forms of musical notes and can be created using a sequencer. An MP3 or Moving Picture Expert Group Audio Layer 3 is an audio coding format. Although, compared to the previously mentioned formats, MP3 is a loosey data compression format, which partially discards data and reduces the quality of the audio, although decreasing the size of the file. The advantages of sound is that it enhances the experience of the audience by creating a mood. such as sound of the ocean or a heartbeat. The only disadvantage of sound is that it might not broadcast in the same way it is conceived, as on the receiving end of the audience might not have a decent sound system to resonate the minute and subtle nuances of sound. Now, the next element is animation. Animation can be defined as moving graphic images, which is created effects of visual motion and can be utilized for illusion or illustration where movement is involved or where it's not feasible to recreate the scenario for a live shoot. As animation makers, it's easier to portray the same in a conceived or a convincing form. In multimedia, three forms of digital animation are commonly used: two-dimensional or 2D, two and a half dimensional, and three-dimensional. Now, two-dimensional animation, also known as 2D animation, has elements that interacts in only two axes, x and y. In 2.5D, illusion of depth is created by utilizing shadowing and highlighting, although images remain in the realm of x and y axis. 3D, on the other hand, uses another axis, z-axis, which provides depth and a more immersive environment. Animation and video rely on persistence of vision, which is a phenomena, an illusion, an optical illusion that occurs when we use a series of images as a human eye and brain retains a visual impression for the 1/30th of a second. Creating animation requires basic knowledge of principles of physics as well as principles of animation, which were designed by Disney. Advantages of using animation in a media content production helps to go beyond the comprehension limits of traditional techniques. It is used in medical training, aviation, science, and have been tremendously successful. Some disadvantages of animation are it takes a long time and lot of effort to animate. 3D animation is an expensive process and it requires high-end workstation and programs. Video presents moving pictures and combines text, images, animation, sound for a captivating multimedia experience. Video files are some of the most common storage-intensive multimedia elements, but streaming methods makes it practical. Video are a smart marketing tool. Its advantages are that it's an excellent way to distinguish yourself from your competitors. Video takes the most amount of storage space and requires a great amount of time when optimized for different setups. Although cameras with professional quality output have become more affordable, but shooting a video depends on several parameters which are out of control and are often unpredictable. Now let's discuss some editing formats for multimedia elements. Editing is a crucial form of storytelling, as we have discussed earlier, a process which is determined or determines the output which is available for an audience. Each element of multimedia requires different sets of programs to edit different parameters. These programs can be paid or open source. A paid program is either purchased with standalone license or are subscription based, which are often annual. Text editors are required to process text data or textual data initially. For graphics, a paint software is used to edit parameters of a graphic. For sound or sound editing and layering, programs are used. For animation, 2D, 2.5D and 3D softwares are required based on the requirement for the video. Video editing and processing software plus effect softwares are crucial. Editing is a process which involves carefully selected written text, visual graphics, audio, video, and animation. An editing process begins with the concept which leads to the manipulation of digital video, graphics, animation, sound, and text. Multimedia elements are part of our daily lives, from films, sitcoms, television, online content, and various other formats. With the influx of smartphone, people are increasingly creating and editing their own digital content. First and foremost, multimedia elements exist in digital form. Multimedia-based media content production editing requires a skill set for combining various content files into a singular file type, optimized for catering to multiple platforms. A couple of decades ago, digital editing was expensive and was introduced by Lucasfilm Editing Droid, which enabled filmmakers to optimize and digitize content for editing. Now, thanks to the fast-paced technological advancement, professional editors have switched over to digital platform. With the help of software such as Final Cut Pro, Adobe's Premiere, and Avid, Photoshop is one of the most popular paid programs for image editing or graphic editing. Many free open source applications are also available, such as GIMP, for multiple platforms such as PC, Mac, smartphones, and tablets. Although, for professional image editing, full-fledged image editing is required to make subtle adjustments. Audio editing is a niche area compared to video and image editing and requires a digital audio workstation. Adobe's Audition, WavePad, AVS Studio, Magic's Music Maker, Sony's FL Studio, and Acid Pro are some of the professional multi-session sound editors, which have a range of options and an era of plugins and customization. For casual audio editing, many open source applications are also available, such as Audacity and Weverso. That is all we have for today. We hope you enjoyed this session. See you again. Till then, thank you and namaskar.